Bailey. Bailey. Bitch. Do you want it? Do you want it? Do you want it? Do you want it? I know you want it. Do you want it? Do you want it? Do you want it?
I know you want.
Oh, wait, Abby, don't. Oh, the stick. Do you want it? Do you want it? Do you want it? Stick. Take it. Take it. Take it. Take it.
Leila, Bailey's cute.
Yeah. Take it. Sit on the floor now. Yes, you must want that stick.
Just give it to him.
Wait, I want it.
He's standing on.
He's standing on
legs.
I know. Do you want it?
Can you memorize dog's heads?
No. Hold on. It's on the floor now. Do you want it? Take it. So we're gonna fight now. We're gonna fight. Wait. Take it. Take it. Do you want it? Do you want it? Do you want it? Do you want it? Baby, don't. Do you want it? Do you want it? I know you want it. I know you want it. Take it. Take it. Cameron loved it. Ooh, watch Bailey scratching right at it. Do you want it? Don't you want to jump? Don't you want to jump? You want to jump? Wait. Jump. 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 You're on the stick, Bailey. You can't. I know you want it. I know you want it. I know you want it. Take it. Take it. Take it. Take it. Okay, so for those of you guys who are new, I am arguing with Bailey for the stick. Take it. Do you want it? 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 Yeah, Bailey. Yeah, Bailey. Do you want it? Take it. Take it. No, it's mine. It's mine. It's mine. You're so cute. Oh, watch. You're gonna. The stick. Now it's mine. See ya. Wait, Abby. Yeah. Oh gosh. Okay, he's got it. Okay. Pick it up, baby. Put it. Where's those other two now? Those other two. Wait.
You wanna go, Leila?
No, but don't.
He's not going out the door.
Yeah.
Come, let's play a game. If Bailey comes to us, then we must look after him. Come,
Bailey. Oh, I wanted all of that.
Bailey's coming to me. Now it's by you.
Dude, you on my skirt. What's under? You was, yeah. Do you want it? Okay. Bailey, there. Wait.
I'm letting him jump. I also got the stick.
He wants.
It's coming for both of our sticks.
Yours it, yours mine. Okay, let me just quickly stop this.